students. Today we are going to see about the fourth model of our subject architecture and more on IoT. So we'll be seeing about the what is the things in IoT in this today's lecture. So let us go to the lecture. So the physical design for IoT. So the physical design, the things in IoT usually refers to the IoT devices which have the unique identities and can perform a remote sensing and actuating and have the monitoring capabilities. So these are the variety of capabilities and variety of performance that is being obtained from the IoT kind of a thing. So the IoT devices can, so these are the things the IoT devices can perform. So exchange data with other connected devices and application directly or indirectly. So and collect the data from other devices and process the data locally or send the data to the centralized server or a cloud-based application and backend for processing of the data or perform some of the tasks locally and other tasks within the IoT infrastructure and based upon the temporal and space constraint. Whether it is going to hold up the data and directly push the data to the network, or it will be push the data to the centralized server, or it going to push the data to the local server and do certain tasks, and again certain tasks will be going to perform in the cloud environment. So this is what the IoT devices can do. So the things in IoT, we refer each and every devices having the networking ability, referring it as a things in referring it as a things in IoT. So the things refer to the variety of devices, not really just a one device has become a thing. At times, you and I also think will be giving the data to the internet. So think how we are going to give the data. There are a lot of social media application. There are a lot of communal applications are there where we produce our data so that the machine will have the data and do certain tasks. So we are you and myself are also called as a IoT devices are also called as a things. So anything to qualify as a thing requires an identity. So I'm working on a certain IP platform and you are working on a certain IP platform. So my identity is that particular IP platform. So I can refer myself as a particular thing. The thing can monitor, measure, etc. And means the temperature sensor could be a thing. The things can be capable of exchanging the data, could be sharing with the other connected devices in the infrastructure. Their data could be stored in the centralized server cloud platform, processing, therefore control. The action could be initiated, the data involved in getting the accomplished by the IoT kind of a thing. So this is what we refer it as a thing in a IoT environment. So some of the famous things which we are aware about is our temperature sensor, pressure sensor, and humidity sensor. The data from the above sensors are collected in real time and sent to the cloud. Sometimes it will be in the local server also. So based on the data analysis, the control action will be created from the cloud and it is again communicated with the particular actuator to do certain things such as switching application or kind of giving an input of data application also. Some of the things here shown are the heart monitoring implants, the pacemaker, the ECG will be read, and the biochip transponder for animals so that we can locate the animals in the through geofencing kind of a mechanism. The automobile with the built-in sensors such as OBD devices can track the and check over the functioning of the a particular automobile, and the food quality measuring sensors are used to measure the quality of the food, whether it is transported over the period of time. So the things are called as the hardware, hardware plus software, hardware plus software plus data plus services. So combining all these things, we refer it as a thing. It is not only a particular hardware is called as a thing, a particular software is called as a thing. Only with the internet connection we cannot refer it as a thing. And so we need a service to connect with a particular system to make it to work with the hardware and the software also. So will be these things are referred as a thing. Home automation will be having the things are called as the control and automation of lighting and heating like a smart thermostat, ventilation, air conditioning, HVAC system, that is a heating, ventilation, air conditioning system. Appliances such as washer, dryers, air purifiers, oven, refrigerator, freezers used with the Wi-Fi for remote monitoring. You can take it as a task. What could be for the smart retail environment? Can you get is what are the things are available for smart retail environment? So this will be given as an assignment for you, and you can take it as a an, simple non-graded assignment. And thank you. We'll be seeing over to the next lecture. Next lecture.